everyone, welcome back to the session of English. In this session, we are going to continue with our chapter Fill in the Blanks. This is part 3. In part 2 and part 1, we have read many sentences and done many fill in the blanks. In this session as well, we'll do some fill in the blanks. So let's begin the session. Here, the first question begins with question number 31. I cannot conclude by just seeing that whether the books are borrowed or overdue or not. So this cannot be the correct answer. Hardcover and rare, it cannot be seen just from the far and in the first sight. So these two words are not suitable. These two options are not suitable. Now new and colorful, again, we cannot just see new and colorful books from the far distance in a shelf. Old and dusty are the things, are the books which caught the attention, which catches the attention, or which catch the attention. So our answer will be A. So here the suitable option should be A. Now let us see the sentence once. The old and dusty books on the shelf caught my attention. Now let us move to the next sentence. Again a sentence, again a fill in the blank with two blanks. The dash and dash weather forced the outdoor event to be cancelled. So dash and dash weather. So there must be a type of weather that made the event cancelled. It means the weather is not good. It is not pleasant at all. Now if I say sunny and warm, this type of weather, that is sunny and warm, it enables the event to be done easily. We should not cancel, or we ought not to cancel the event if the weather had been sunny or warm. So this is not suitable option. Rainy and windy. Now if the event is cancelled, that means there must have been rain. The weather should be stormy. So this is the correct answer. Now pleasant and cool, if the weather was pleasant and cool, who would cancel the event? This is not suitable. Snowy and icy. No, both the words are same. So it is again not suitable option. So our answer is B. B is absolutely correct answer. So the correct sentence will be, the rainy and windy weather forced the outdoor event to be cancelled. Now let us move to the next sentence. The team worked hard, dash and dash, to complete the project. Now obviously, if the project is completed, the team worked hard, so they must have done the work together, combinedly. Now let us see the option together and smoothly, slowly and inefficiently. If they have completed the project and they want to complete the project and they are working hard, obviously they work efficiently, not inefficiently. Independently and separately. So you must have heard this proverb, that unity in diversity. It means when we work together, the work completes easily and quickly. But when we work independently and separately, the work takes a long time to be done, or it is not complete properly. So here the team is working hard. It means they were together, not independent and separate. Diligently and efficiently. Diligent means carefully and efficiently means properly. Now if we see these two options, these are not suitable. But these two options are suitable. Now we have to find that particular option which exactly fits the blanks. Now the team worked hard. If the team is doing the work, it shows that the team is doing work together. Only then they are efficient. And dash to complete the project. It means smoothly. Because worked hard diligently. Worked hard cannot come with the word diligently. Diligently means carefully. So they did not work hard carefully. In fact, they worked hard together. Therefore, A is the most suitable option to fill in this blank. So our answer should be A. Now let us move to the next sentence. The forest is home to a variety of wildlife, including dash and dash. Now in this sentence, we have a word wildlife. Wildlife includes all the animals which are wild, including dash and dash. Now rabbits and bears. Obviously, rabbits are domestic animals and they do not live in forest, or if they live, they are not wild. And it is not necessary that rabbits live in forest. Now bears is already included in wildlife. Birds and fish. Birds and fish are different category as wildlife. Therefore, B should be the suitable answer. Squirrels and wolves. Now, wolves again are the part of wildlife. Deer and foxes are also the part of wildlife. Therefore, our suitable option is B. So, here the answer will be B, which is the most suitable option among these. So, the forest is a home to a variety of wildlife, including birds and fish. Because in wildlife, we can have birds, fish, and animals, all the things, all the creatures. Now let us move to the next sentence. He looks dash his younger sister in the dash of his parents. Now he looks over or from of his parents, from of his parents does not suit the blank. He looks like his younger sister in the face of his parents. This option is also not suitable. He looks for his younger sister. Looks for means to search. In the grab of his parents, so grab word does not suit the blank. Now he looks after. Now looks after means to take care. In the absence of his parents, it means whenever the parents are not there, he takes care of his younger sister. So this is suitable option over here. Therefore, our answer should be D. This is absolutely suitable option. So answer is D. Now the next sentence. The conference featured guest speakers from various fields, including dash and dash. Now, conference featured guest speakers from various fields, including dash and dash. Technology and politics, science and sports, art and history, any of the above. Now, we know well that guest speakers can be from anywhere. They can be of technology, politics, science, sports, art, history. All are the categories from which we can have guest speakers. So here the suitable option is D, that is any of the above. So our answer is D. Now let us move to the next sentence. They decided to go for a walk in the park, dash and dash. Now they decided to go for a walk. They are going for a walk. If I say quickly and noisily, quickly is suitable, but noisily it's not suitable, because why would they make noise just for going on a walk? Silently and slowly. So they can go silently so as not to disturb others. They can go silently but not slowly. Quietly and peacefully. Loudly and excitedly. So loudly cannot be used for go. Quietly and peacefully is the suitable option. So answer is C. Now let us move to the next sentence. The tunnel was so dash that they became dash. Now, here we are talking about a tunnel, that is a cave through which the train passes. So the tunnel was dash that they became dash. Now if it is written long, that they became enthusiastic. So and that shows the reason and the impact, the reason and the cause of it. So if it has been long and enthusiastic, so and that conjunction is not suitable over here and could have made the sentence meaningful. Now, deep and curious. So if the tunnel is deep, it does not make sense that the people will become curious because of that. If the tunnel was dark, that they became frightened. Now, this is the reason, because the tunnel was dark, they became frightened. Crowded, a tunnel cannot be crowded, and if it had been crowded, they would not have been isolated. So, the correct answer or the suitable option is C. So, our answer is C. The most suitable option here is C. The tunnel was so dark that they became frightened. This is the correct answer. Now let us move to the next sentence. Sanjay is dash for his dash in business matters. Now if I say Sanjay is famous for his insincerity in business matters, it can be the option. Efficient. Sanjay is efficient for his trading. Now efficient for his trading. So this word his and trading is not suitable. Familiar for. Now familiar refers to a word which we use to make the two things looks like each other. For example, she is, or when someone is appearing to us as we have known him or her. For example, you look familiar, it means you look like I know you. Well known, it means when someone is very popular. Lawlessness. Lawlessness is not a correct word to be filled over here. So, here the correct option is A. So, the answer is A, which is used after the word famous. Famous for his insincerity in business matters. It means he is very insincere person and he is famous for being so. Now, let us move to the next sentence. The dash and dash of the company are crucial for its success. Now, two things are there which are crucial, it means important for its success. Now, leadership and innovation, marketing and strategy, employees and customers, and products and profits. Now, if we look at the options carefully, if we see any of the pair, all things are important for a company. But some things are there which are very, very important, without which a company cannot run. A company cannot be run. A company must have a leader to lead it. A company must have employees. A company must have suitable customers. A company must make products for their customers. Ultimately, they want to satisfy their customers with the products or services they are using. They are providing, sorry. Then profits. All the things, all the factors are necessary for a company to have success. But the most important thing that cannot be avoided at any cost is leader. Because if a company has a leader, though the company does not have many employees, if a company is making some innovations, it is very important. The customers are ultimately the parts of the company or the requirements of the company. The product, the company might be providing the services, not the products. The company might not have any marketing or strategy, because there are various things that runs a company, but a leadership and some innovation is definitely required. Therefore, A can be the suitable option among these options because these options are very close. So, among these options, A is suitable. Answer is A. That is leadership and innovation. Now, let us move to the next sentence. The Dash concert was cancelled due to Dash weather conditions. Now, if the weather conditions are not good or unpleasant, then only an event can be cancelled. So, the outdoor concert cancelled due to sunny weather conditions. Now, sunny weather conditions, if the weather is sunny, the event need not to be cancelled. The indoor or rainy, now if we are indoor or the event is happening indoor, the rain will not affect it. So these two options are not suitable at all. The open air and severe, the musical and foggy, these two words does not suitable because these two words are not suitable because this doesn't affect this. So open air and severe weather conditions is absolutely correct option over here. So answer is C. The severe weather conditions will definitely affect an open air concert. So C is absolutely correct answer. The correct sentence will be the open air concert was cancelled due to severe weather conditions. Now let us move to the next sentence. To become a skilled pianist, one must practice dash and develop dash technique. Now we see the options regularly and excellent, tirelessly perfect, diligently proficient, sporadically and adequate. Sporadically means irregular. So if one wants to be efficient or develop something, one want to be skilled, irregular will not work over there. Diligently means carefully, tirelessly means without any pauses and without getting tired. Regularly means consistently. To become a skilled pianist, one must practice dash and develop dash technique. Now practice regularly suitable and develop excellent technique. Diligently means careful. Now to become skilled and trained, regular working is important. Whereas proficient is also suitable over there. Perfect technique. So in this, among the options, all the options are very close, but we have to select only one option, that is regularly and excellent technique. So answer should be A according to the given options. Now let us move to the next one. The chef prepared a delicious dash using dash ingredients. So the chef prepared a delicious meal using fresh ingredients. Cuisine local. Now delicious cuisine cannot be prepared through local ingredients. Exotic is not suitable. Imported is not suitable. A option is absolutely suitable for this blank. So answer is A for these blanks. Now let us move to the next sentence. The detective carefully examined the dash and collected the dash evidence. So the detective carefully examined the scene and collected vital. Vital means important. Suspect, concrete. Now concrete evidence cannot come over here. Witness, circumstantial. It is not suitable. Clue and valuable. These are not suitable. Answer should be A. Answer A is absolutely suitable to be filled in these blanks. And let us move to the next sentence. The dash project requires a dash budget to succeed. Now, if the project is ambitious, it requires a substantial, it means a large amount of budget to succeed. Obviously, if this project is ambitious, it needs a large amount. If the project is a small scale, it needs a minimal budget. So this is also suitable. But we want to get success. And to get success, we need an ambitious project. Innovative and modest. Modest is not suitable, limited is not suitable. Now, obviously, if one wants to do something complex, a substantial budget is required. Therefore, answer the suitable option is A. She is known for her dash personality and dash sense of humor. Introverted is a person who keeps all the things to himself only, and dry sense of humor. Extroverted means when no one is reserved, when one person is not reserved and say whatever comes to his or her mind. Witty, who is very intelligent and tricky. So, quiet and sarcastic. Reserved and cheerful. Reserved and cheerful cannot come together. So, it should be extroverted and witty. So, our answer is B. Now, let us move to the next sentence. The company decided to dash its employees' salaries to dash morale. Obviously, if the salary of the employees is increased, their morale will be boosted up. They will work hard more and more. So our answer will be A, according to the given options. Now let us move to the next sentence. In order to dash project on time, we need to dash our efforts. Option A is suitable, that is finish and double. In order to finish the project on time, we need to double our efforts. So answer should be A. Now the word is expedition. Expedition means quickly, but it is expedite, that is quickly. So expedition is not suitable word over here. We need a verb, not a noun. Now let us move to the next sentence. The teacher provided dash feedback to help the student dash his performance. So it should be A, that is constructive and enhance, because if the teacher gives constructive feedback, only then a student enhances performance. If the teacher gives negative feedback, the student will be degraded and it will not help him. Irrelevant, maintain are not suitable over here. Critical and lower are not suitable. So our answer is A. Now the last sentence of this session is, to pass the exam, you must demonstrate the dash knowledge and dash understanding of the subject. Superficial, deep, basic, advanced, comprehensive and thorough, limited and broad. So you must have comprehensive knowledge and thorough understanding. Comprehensive means something which is complete, detailed. So demonstrate comprehensive knowledge and thorough understanding. It means to understand completely, carefully. So our answer is C. Okay, it is C, not A. So our answer is C. Well, that's all for fill in the blanks. Thank you very much. I hope you understand all the points.